So this here is the display logic for the display on the motorcycle helmet. Unfortunately, the actual display itself we had trouble making. We didn't quite get it done, but we did need to test the logic and make sure it worked. So what we did is, instead of using the display itself, we use this LED on the LEDs configuration on the proto board. So what we have is we have 5 different positions on the 7-segment display, and each one has 8 actual segments because there's the 7 segments plus the dot. And so that's what these are LEDs represent. Each one of these is one position, and each of these is a segment. So depending on which one lights up, we'll say which digit right here, and then which segments lights up. Over here is where we have connected the actual AC power. For now, we're not actually going to use AC power to light up LEDs. Instead, we're just going to use 10 volts, as you can see over here. So that's the 10 volts to here, and this is just our display logic, high and low. So if you come back here, we have the ground here set, as well as the pins for the demux set to a particular, so it's configured how we want it to be. And then we have these 3, which will come from the micro, which is the selection of the digit. So these 3 will control the mux, which will control which digit here is shown. And then these 8 here also will come from the micro, and this will select which digit, or which segment, sorry, is lit up. So if I take here, so this is just high-low for our digital circuit. And if I ground all these guys, and now I can go through each LED, and so that's the position right there that's on, and that's the digit or segment, and I can just walk through each segment. Yeah, get good connection. There we go. So that's one, and then we'll go ahead and go through the rest of the segments now. So now I just put high to this here, and now it'll be a different position, and then each segment will go through again. So again, this is just the same digit, different segments, and then we're just going to go through each digit. Alright, just 2 more here. Here, we'll go back and show those first couple again. Okay, and then the last one, see if I remember the correct here. So it should be, yeah, those 2 high. Yeah, there we go. And then obviously we won't be lighting up one individual segment for each digit. So I mean, some of them will look like this, or they'll have multiple where, you know, there's all these ones are lit up like this, just to configure whatever number we want. But that's all controlled by the micro. This has tested as long as each segment can light up when high is presented to it, otherwise it stays off. So yes, this is our digital logic circuit for the display.